Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Another day, another beautiful day trading. So we had our CPI news came out right here, and the numbers were good. There was previously 0.2, forecast was 0.3. So got some good numbers from that. So let's see what they hold. Kind of looks like we're starting to roll over a little bit. So last night we just had this slow grind downward right here. Looks like we're still moving to the downside. We got a pretty big area down here target wise. We're gonna be looking all the way low down here to these 28,540s. A new eval loaded, and we're gonna see what today gives us. So that 5-minute candle is pretty much straight down right there. We'll look for a nice little pullback, and gonna take this short. Might not get that pullback. It's gonna be a good day. It's gonna be a good day. $15-minute candle is straight down from there. Might be the pullback that we want right here. Over here to the 500 tick chart. In the meantime, I have this risk disclosure. This is like our pullback we were wanting. Short 2 here. About 10 points there. There it goes, still moving down. Pull back on the 100 tick. Short 2. Another 12 points. That's strong rejection off that EMA right there. Little pullback right here. I come up to this 21 EMA. The bears are here. I ain't gonna lie, I'm a bear. Straight up. Say don't bet against America, but even in a bullish market, I look for the shorts. That's just me. I like the pullbacks or wait for a reversal. Here would be a good long spot if you're looking to get long. Just having this nice V-shaped pattern right here. Probably take it up here to these 29 158s. But it could not pull back all the way. But yeah, it's gonna look like it's gonna come back up. Maybe test VWAP again. And it's playing out right here in front of our eyes. Start rejecting off of it early. Might go ahead and dump now. Still pushing back up. This is the 5 minute.
And so like when you're in that time and place like that, what you're playing, what you're singing resonates 100%. It's not, it doesn't feel disingenuous.
Let's go. There we go, it's starting to dump again. or two from there. I look like buyers stepping in here. I might get out of this early. Yeah, it's not looking good. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get out of that. Now it's probably gonna come back down. Looks like we're still going retracing back upwards. The upside. It wants to pull back some, but let it happen. A doji on a 15-minute right now. Might be a good reversal spot. $10 a.m. New York time reversal. Might work out. Kind of building a base right here on the 1 minute. Starting to break though. See, looks like they're gonna break to the upside though. There's the break. Yeah, 20 points. Yep, there's the break. Sometimes you just gotta mark it up. Yeah, we're still pulling back. Strong rejection on VWAP right there. This will be interesting when we get to VWAP right here to see what we actually do. If we close above it, we'll look for a retest and then go long from there. But if it's strong enough rejection, then we'll short it. Blue pass BWAP right there. Long two right there. A lot of buyers coming in. Don't need a pullback right now. Momentum coming at the upside right now. I'm going to close that for 4.5 points though, because I don't want it to retrace all the way back down here to these EMAs right now. I want to be able to hold that. It kind of looks like it's going to do that now. So it kind of looked for a bounce coming back down here. 29 160s push up, but it looks like it's going to push up now. Pretty strong bullish 15-minute candle right there. This will be an interesting spot to get long right here. This 160s. So we'll wait and see what happens. Typically a spot I was short at right there. Break below this 90 MA, this 21. Kind of building out a bear flag right now to go lower. Yeah. Come down here to these, around this area for price. That's interesting. Do we bounce here or do we continue to flood downward? It's kind of looking like it wants to go a little bit lower though. Just got to learn to adapt and change ways with the market. Got a lot of room to the downside though. Pretty strong candle on 30-minute though, to the upside for the bulls. The bear flag, and we're breaking right here on the 1 minute. I'm at bull flag. See. Yeah, we're going long 2 right here. The pullback. Markets has had such like crazy volatility with these wars and stuff going on. So pop downward right there. Kind of trying to bounce all the VWAP. Yeah, I'm about to get out of this. Looks like we're gonna go lower. I'm out. Rolling to the downside. Alright, I'm short 2. Looks like we're gonna go lower. Nine and a half points. We'll go ahead and take that. I'll get out of the drawdown a little bit. Alright, we're gonna be too short again. Is the momentum coming in now? Flush it. Nice rip though. There's the seller. 11 points. We'll go ahead and take that. We almost about break even right now. Here we had obviously a lower low. We had a higher high because we broke these highs over here. Higher low. Higher high. Now we got a lower low and a lower high, so trend is going to be still down right now. I could pull up back to that 9 EMA and then short from there. Alright, gonna be short 2 there. Looking a little heavy now. Take that, about 10 points. We're gonna look to get back in this short. Just digging out a drawdown. Alright, we're short 2 there. $11 points. Now it's just dumping out. Zoom out, look to the left. Check out all this gap down here. Last time we had it, that we went really straight up, be this level. Go ahead and mark it. So this is like the next real low we could be heading to. 28,862. About 200 points, 150 points down to the downside. Now we need a pullback before we try to get in long right here. So guys, tomorrow I gotta get on the boat. I gotta be on the boat for 14 days, 2 weeks. And I'll be off for 7 days. So, looking to move around September, October. So I'll have a better streaming setup, better on your eyes, better audio setup and everything. So, if you do like the video, make sure you like, subscribe, and stay tuned for this journey. Because it's only up from here. I'm gonna start posting like more educational videos for people, so be good. So pullback. We're still going lower. Short 2. $12 points. Go ahead and take that. We're up 1114 for the day so far. And Q is still looking like it wants to go down to that level that we marked. So need some type of pullback again before we try to do that. With us being up, I'm gonna probably go ahead and reduce risk. Instead of trade 2 contracts, 2 minis, I'm gonna trade 1 mini. Just because we don't want to give back all the profits that we've made so far for today. Like another pullback up here to the 29,000 area, but I don't know if we're gonna get it. There it goes. I'm rejecting off that 9 EMA though. Still wants to go lower. Breaking down to the downside. Alright, we're in short 1 right there. Also pull back. Now time for the dump. There it goes. Momentum coming in. Pull back. Rejection. I get out of this. Kind of building a base here. I might get out of this trade. It's a good thing we saw it down, that's for sure. Yeah, I don't like that amount. Very strong bull is 15-minute candle right there. Bringing it all the way up some EMAs, that's pretty good amount to the top. Might look to go long here. See what we do right here. Still pushing up. We're going up to VWAP. It's like 100 points. I'll make it a spot to go long. Got a long two right there. Now it's starting to dump. We get steep pullback. There we go. Yeah, I'm out on that. Guess that was the pullback. I just want to go lower. This is 15 minutes. It's so bullish right now. Look, is it going higher now? Yeah. That was a fake out right there. Could have held it. The long is still there though. Alright, we're gonna re-enter it too. That's 17 points. Take that. Bounce from that 21 EMA would be nice. Push up the VWAP. Alright, we're gonna be long too. I like that though. Yeah, I'm out. Alright, short two. Add our short three. Go ahead and take that in 11 points. Cut our drawdown in half. We're still valid though. I like that bounce. Alright, short 2. Gonna add to that short 3. $12 we'll take that. Break even. Short 1. Add to that. Short 2. I'll take that off. 8 points. The trading's all about managing risk. Like, you go, dude, I've been like $200 from blowing an account one day. Then, like, switched back to a trading 1 contract and just chipped away base hits. Take myself out of drawdown. Then once you get out of drawdown, then, you know, trade normal. Then when it's set up, you know it's gonna go lower, it's gonna go higher. You can add a little bit more, like higher probability trade. No, with trading there comes risk. I'm pushing back up for a little pullback, but I still go lower right here. We got this nice little double bottom right here. Like, bulls are kind of holding this level. If we break that level, then obviously we're gonna go downtown. Downtown, but it's a nice little double bottom though right there. Down, bounce, bounce. But if we get lower than that, then we're going downtown. Look at these wicks on the 5 minute. It's area support right now, but if we bust it, then we're gonna go lower. Looks like it's putting in a lower high right here compared to this higher high over here. Alright, short 2. We broke below VWAP right here, so I went short. A lot of selling pressure coming in. Bears and bulls are fighting this level. I have to jump out of this. Get a little whipsaw action. Breaking that line right there. Bear and bull flags work. Gotta know how to trail them. Draw your trend lines. $11 points, 12 points. We out of that. Back to 774. I was dumping. Heading back down to our level that we marked. Coming down pretty fast. Let's see if we bounce here at this level or we just blow right past it. We're gonna put in a triple bottom, or we can blow past this level. Let's see. Technically be 4 bottom. We got 1, 2, 3, 4. We're gonna bounce back up here. Or we're gonna continue lower. The number one question. Try to reject off of it. I think we're gonna go lower, guys. Alright, I'm short 2. Then we're gonna take this level out. We're gonna invalidate it. No longer a support zone. Flush McGush. We're going downtown. There we go. We broke that level. That's 10 points. We'll take that. We'll take that. We'll take that. I'd like a push back up and then back down. Push back up to these EMAs, which is doing right now, and short from there. We'll wait for it to get another one. Expecting pretty hard off that 9 EMA. Let it push up some. Oh, I like that. Alright, we're short 2. Is that 8 points right there? 8 points. But so with top tip, there's a 50% consistency rule. So unfortunately, I'm over it by $24. So can't be over 1,500 in one day. So technically, I'll have to give some of that money back. The way I do it, switch over to micros. You don't want a big move, hold a mini. I'll buy one. There's been days like been over 1,500. I was like trying to lose money. hit that 1,500 like threshold, end up making like $6,000, and then I'm like screwed. So then I'm having to like size up super big. It just gets crazy. But the ideal, like, you want to be able to pass these evals in 2 days. Like 2 to 4 days is good, but you don't want to be stuck in the eval because you can't make money in the eval. Just like now, it's starting to rip up. You want to go the opposite direction that you think the market's going to go, obviously. Come down to Papa. Made too much money. I made too much money. I got to give some away. Donate it to charity. Come down. There is a buffer though. I just don't know exactly how much it is. If it's $50, $100, $20. But if you blow that 50% consistency, then you're gonna have to make more money at the end to pass the eval. So you always want to don't make more than $1,500 in one day. You don't want to make $1,500 more. Because the 50% consistency is the target of 3,000, so you cut that in half, 50%, $1,500. So you can't make more than $1,500 in one day to hold that and reach that 50% consistency. Let's see. There we go. That'll work. $1,546. So that'll pass the buffer. So I know it's a couple dollars. I don't know if it's 50, 20, whatever it is, but that's it. No, I took a lot of trades today just because I'm trying to pass the eval. Let's look at this. So trade winning percentage 75%. Profit factor 1.3. 100%, like my most profitable trades are under 15 seconds. 15 to 45 seconds is 87%. 45 to 1 minute, 75%. And 1 to 2 minutes, 75%. Pretty good. Not bad. 32 trades, 1546 for the day. Bro, we're gonna go ahead and lock out all day. Keep me out of it. Lock me out. That's it. Live to trade another day. Well, it's been good. It's been a ride. Go on the boat tomorrow, and I'll be there for 2 weeks till I get off. So sometimes it's hard to trade out there with having, internet connection and not being able to like you be in a trade and then like you'd be up $100, $200 and then look at it and the connection connects and it's like you're down like 600 and it blows your account or whatever. So unless I know like I'm gonna be like an area that I'll have connection, I will not trade. But I only got 1,500 left passing this account. I blew those evals I did have. It's part of it. It's part of learning the game. I mean, you could be putting 2,000, 4,000, 6,000, 8,000, whatever of your own money into a brokerage account. Blow them, and you just blew your whole life savings, your kids' college fund, or whatever. But you get an account most places for $50. Then once you pay that, you pay the activation fee, $150, and then 5 winning days over $150, $200, and you can get a payout, 50% of your account balance. So if you got any questions, just drop them in the comments below, and I'll make sure to answer them all. I've been trading since 2024, so about 2 years now. So it's a journey. Don't ever quit. Obviously, you can see the potential of how much money you can make in a day. And eventually the goal is, obviously take your payouts and put them into a live account. Just take 1 to 2 trades a day on your live account and keep building up and compounding those base hits on your live account, and rinse and repeat on these prop firms, and just stay at it. So if you guys like the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one.